Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. This is a Catkin look because I had told you guys that I would show you a look from Catkin. They had graciously sent over to me a beautifully packed foundation. This is their foundation palette and this is a Pandora Land Coverage Cushion BB cream, and that's all I have on my face today as far as my foundation is this BB cream, and it gave great coverage. Well, I want you to know that there is a link for Catkin, and I will have it down in my description, and there is a percentage off, and I will leave that in my description as well. I want to show you this beautiful foundation. Look at that. It looks really dark. But when I put it on, I want to show you now. I've put it on and I'm just going to go down my nose so you can kind of see it there. And I've already got it on, but I want you to know that this is the color that I have on. Now I may have too much on my nose now, but that is the color. And it is all over. And as you can see, it actually matched my skin pretty good. I was afraid that it was going to be too light, but it wasn't, and so it has worked out really well. And it looks dark, but it doesn't go on as dark as it looks. I'll put some on my finger, as you can see here. And there you go. See, it just matches in with my skin. So it did a really good job. On the inside, your little pad to put your makeup on also has the panda. So you have the panda on the inside with your pad to put on your BB cream, and you also have it on here. Isn't that just cute packaging? Well, after I've got that on, I did use the Catkin loose powder, and I used all three colors. I just mixed it and I just dusted my whole face with it. And I'm going to see if I can get just a little bit of the blue and white out, and I'll just powder my nose since I oh, it has a powder puff. I'll just use the powder puff, and I'll powder puff my nose with the powder. It worked really good. I liked it. It had good coverage. So I used the Catkin C4 is what I used, and that foundation was C4 as well. And this is in matte, and it was the Catkin loose powder. And this here, just a double check, I want to make sure if it says on there, it was C04 buff. So that was the color that I used, in case you wanted to know. Now, the next thing that I went to with Catkin was the eyeshadow palette. Isn't that beautiful? It's the Catkin. It is the Forest C15, and as you can see, they kind of have great packaging with that too, showing the forest with the deer. And on the inside, we have a neutral palette, which I have just about every color on, including this color over here. Now that color that's pebbled is a shimmer, and it comes off a little brownish green. And I don't know that you can see it. Let me see if I can rub my finger a little harder there. But as you can tell, it's just a faint shimmer. But I did use the light as a base all over up here on top. I use this on top of that. So I have this underneath my eyebrow, and then all over my lid I have this. Then I went over it with the shiny. Then I went on with this. So I have a base of that on my lid. Then on my lid, I put this in the corners, I put this in the middle, and I have the dark brown in my crease. So I used most of the colors, and this is the look that I got, which is a real natural look. And I do have my blender brush with me, and I'll just add a little bit more of that brown so you can see that it's got good coverage. And it added just a little bit more depth to that since I added it in there. But that was the palette. Now, I did use a different blush because they didn't send me a blush. I used my Fenty blush, and it's in that pink, and it turned out real pretty. I really like this. This is called Bubble Bands, and it's a beautiful pink, and it goes well with that. Then I used my Patrick Ta. I have a bronzer palette by Patrick Ta. Guys, I've had this for quite some time and never used it. I used the cream base all over, like under here, under my chin, and up here, you know, for a highlight. Then I went over it with the powder. That was the instructions on how to use it. So I used the Patrick Ta, and you can tell it didn't come off as dark as it looks in the packaging. So that was what I used for my contouring. And then what I use for my mascara is two things. I used the Cosnori eyelashes, and this here was a conditioner that I put on before my mascara, and then I used the Cosnori black, it says tinting mascara, and it's got like a little bit of curve to the brush, and it's a real light finish on your eyelashes. It's not going to make them like really thick. It does make it a little longer, I think. But that is the eyelashes, and you can tell my eyelashes are still growing even when I'm using a different mascara. I forgot to tell you my eyeliners, so I'm dropping this in. I did use the Revant, and I'll have my links for Revant down in my description as well. This is a purple eyeliner. It's beautiful, and I added that on for color with my neutral eyes with Catkin. And then I used my Lancome white, which I have in the waterline and just a little bit over on the insides of my eyes. And that just brightens them up a little bit. So I wanted to toss that in there so you know my true and full look. So that was my eyes. I did use a new brow pencil. I used the one I got out of my BoxyCharm. It's Scone, and this is a neutral color, and it worked out pretty good, I think. And then for my lips, I used a Bubble lip liner, and I thought it would go well with this particular lipstick that, yes, I got from Catkin. Packaging is beautiful. As you can tell, it is beautiful packaging. So look at this lipstick. It has a shine to it. It's so pretty. It's just beautiful. And the color, it has a magnetic closure, by the way. And the color is C14 Unicorn. And it's a glitter lip balm. And so I put this on. I'm going to freshen it up for you. So that was my lippy that they sent me, and it's very creamy. And then for my gloss, I used my Buxom oil. And guys, this is the White Russian, and I just love it. I'm running out, which means I'll be on the lookout for it. I hope they still have it. I got this out of BoxyCharm, so I'm a little bit concerned. It could be a product that they're discontinuing. But I love that. And as you can tell, I kept my color from the unicorn, and that ended up being my look. So what do you think? Get all my hair out of the way. As you can tell, I got all those colors blended in. And like I said, the mascara is not like, you know how I've been using my PrimeLash? It thickens and releases my eyelashes up, and Cosnori gives you a look, but it's not as strong as the other mascaras that I've used. And anyways, I think it still did a good look, and I like it. So you guys let me know, what do you think about the Catkin? And like I was telling you, there is a discount. You can save 25% off Catkin with MISSJACKIE25. And I'll put my links down in this description here for each product that I got, which is the loose powder, the Catkin Foundation BB Cream, the lipstick, which is a lip balm according to them, and this is the Catkin eyeshadow palette. It's all beautiful, beautiful. And again, you can save 25% off your whole order with MISSJACKIE25, and I'll have that down in my description as well. So hey guys, let me know, what do you think? I like it. It did a beautiful neutral look, and you know, a little bit shadowed out for like a little bit of a sultry look as well. So you can get a lot of looks out of that, even though your colors are basically nude. Very, very nice. So guys, that's all I have, and I appreciate you watching. Be sure and use a heart emoji and our rose for September if you are part of the September Jubilee gifting. And the gifts are shown on Mass Monday, 2nd week, 3rd week in September. And the winners will be announced on a Mass Monday in October, probably the 1st Monday. So anyways, that'll give you a little info on that. YouTube and our Catkin and or any other products I've shown here are not affiliated with that. And also be sure and check my description for my Tea Time Adventure I Won So Can You giveaway. Lots going on here, love to share, so be sure and check those things out. And if you are still here and you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video. And hey, if you want to, give me a hype. If it gives you opportunity to throw me out there in front of everybody, I sure would appreciate it. And I do appreciate all my subscribers and all of you that have hyped my channel and helped me in all the various ways. Watching my YouTube videos, going back and watching some of my older ones, giving me those watch time hours. It has helped so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But as for today and this makeup look with Catkin Cosmetics, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.